Write four rational expressions equivalent to the negative of 6x minus 5 over 2x plus 3. Well, let's start by applying that negative sign to the numerator and writing one equivalent form as the negative of 6x minus 5 in the numerator over 2x plus 3. There's one form. To get a second form, let's distribute that negative sign through the parentheses in the numerator. So a second equivalent form is negative 6x plus 5 over 2x plus 3. As a third equivalent form, let's apply the negative sign of our original rational expression to the denominator, giving 6x minus 5 over, in the denominator, the negative of 2x plus 3. And as a fourth form, let's apply that negative sign to both the terms in the denominator. So the numerator is 6x minus 5. The denominator is a negative 2x minus 3. We've got our four forms. As a quick caution, make sure that you don't apply that negative sign to both the numerator and denominator. Pick one or the other.